How to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can save TikTok draft to gallery without posting. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. That's going to take you to your profile page. From here, you have to find your draft that you want to save. But before that, you have to understand that unfortunately, TikTok does not allow you to directly save drafts to your phone gallery. So there is another simple trick using the private posting option, and here's how you can do it. So select your draft and open it up. Then from the screen, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. Now once you land on this edit page, here tap on this option that says followers can view this post. So from here you have to set your video privacy to only me options. So here select only me. Once you have done that, tap on more options. Scroll down a bit and make sure that you have turned on this toggle that says save to device. If it is toggled off, make sure to tap on it and then turn it on. Now once you have done that, all you have to do is tap on post. Even though you are posting it's private, so you can only view it on TikTok. Other people or your friends will not be able to see your post on TikTok. So once it is posted, it will be automatically saved in your gallery. You can head back to your gallery in your device, and there you will find the video that you have posted, or you have posted the recent video from TikTok. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.